Oh, hi! The Tiny Professor here with your word of the week. Equanimity. It means mental calmness, composure, even in September, especially in a difficult situation. For a group of kindergartners, we accepted the bad news of a canceled recess with equanimity. Okay, your turn. Let's see what you've got. This week, anytime you're talking about how well someone is keeping calm, especially after getting some not so great news, try using equanimity. And remember, don't let anyone tell you you're too little or too big to expand your vocabulary or learn something new. See you back here next week with the new word to aid in your expansion. Don't forget to hit that like button. Till next time. Bye!